Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you can use VLOOKUP for Excel worksheets. To do so, in this example, we have name of employees and we want to locate two values for Alex. The first value is the amount and second value is ratio. Of course, this is a simplified exercise, but you might have 500,000 items to VLOOKUP or even more. So to begin, we click and we type equal VLOOKUP and it comes with an open parenthesis. Next, we select what value are we looking for. We need to look for Alex value. Next, we put a comma to put the next condition. The next condition, we will tell Excel, please look by name. This is the first criteria, and find for the amount. So we have selected name of employee and amount. Next step, we are going to put a comma. What are we looking for? We are looking for amount. So we have selected first column name, second column amount. So we want Excel to give us the amount from the second column. So after the comma, we are going to put number 2. Next step, another comma, and we're going to put the last condition. We want an exact match, so we're going to put exact match or false. Closing parenthesis and hit enter. As you can see, Excel went by this selection, went from the name, and it found the amount in the second column, and it gave it in this box. Another example, here in the second one, we will be doing wider or bigger range of selection. So equal VLOOKUP and select name Alex. That's what we want to look for, comma. Where we want to look for it, we want to start looking from name, and we want the last value in ratio, comma. What we want, if we want only amount, we can here put 2 because we count from the selection starting from 1, 2. If we want the amount division, we are going to put 3. If we want the ratio, we are going to put 4. Selection is number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, another comma, and as we want an exact match, we're going to type false, closing parenthesis, and hit enter. And Excel found the value, and the value is 2. Does this match? Yes. And does the amount match? Yes. If you have a big table, you want to make sure to select as beginning for the table, you want to select the value what you want to look for. So if it's by name, you want to select the name, starting from the name. I omitted the age because here we are not VLOOKUP up by age, we are VLOOKUP up by name. Thank you guys for watching. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always press like, share, and also subscribe to get our latest video. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.